Making your own brush. In this lesson, we will learn how to create our own brush. In Photoshop, we can create a brush according to our desired shape or any other image. To create a brush, take a pen tool and draw your desired shape on the new document. And press Ctrl plus Enter for selection and apply color. Next, click on the Define Brush Preset option in the Edit menu. Click on the brush name and type a name for it. The brush that we have created now is added to the brush set list at the bottom. To create a brush from an image, open an image and select the required part with the lasso tool. And then go to the Define Preset option in the Edit menu. Type a name for it and press Enter. We can also download some custom brushes from internet and get installed into our Photoshop. So this way we can make our own brushes.